In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious Orzo salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe you will need 3 cups of cooked orzo, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes cut in quarters, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 3 tablespoons of oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. In a bowl we're going to add the garlic, oil, salt, pepper, and the red wine vinegar, and we're going to whisk everything together until evenly combined. To the cooked orzo, we're going to add in the tomatoes. Add in the parsley and mix until everything is evenly distributed. Now we're going to slowly add in our oil mixture. Once evenly mixed, we're going to cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our orzo salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.